I've taught thousands of folks very simple lessons over the last few years that have made them money online. And in this video, I'm going to show you one lesson that once you learn it, you can do exactly what I've done and replicate this similar type of success. Now you can see here, this is a competition. This is over at Warrior Plus. There was a product that fit well with a product that I have created, and I used it as a bonus to top the affiliate leaderboard. Plus, the idea here is you earn commissions, typically in this space around 50%. But the idea comes back to understanding that as an affiliate, when you create your own products, this is when you find true success. Gumroad is a great marketplace. It's a great example of where to create these products. And once you post these products, you can start selling and earn money from the sale of your own product. So as you're also being an affiliate and topping leaderboards and participating in generating revenue for these other people or for other people that create products as an affiliate, you can then add your own revenue from your own products onto that over, say, a 4-day span, over a week, over a month. That month turns into a year. That year turns into a long career of creating your own products and also being an affiliate and leveraging both sides to ultimately get to where you want to be, to making money online. Now, there's a link in the description, and over there, coming up on Friday, June 28th, there's going to be a live end of workshop meetup, because I've recorded everything in the workshop that you're going to see here on this offer page. Of course, exactly what you're getting in this offer is a simple 3-step roadmap to create your own offer or to build your own products and be able to use those products to accomplish basically the exact same thing that I've done here in this 4-day period after you learn exactly what you need to do, which step 1 is you need to pinpoint a problem. Step 2, you need to create a simple, smart solution that solves the problem that you pinpointed. Step 3, simply post that solution for sale. We do that over at Gumroad. Gumroad is a great marketplace where you can sell lots of digital products. You can also sell physical products, but the idea here is you're building your own road over at Gumroad, and you can sell anything. You can sell top 10 lists, crypto tips, fractional packs, keto cookbooks, C4D scenes, sell your emojis, seriously, sell anything. And that's what I'm showing you here inside of this workshop, link in the description, utilizing this simple 3-step roadmap, how to pinpoint your problems. Step 2, come up with a simple, smart solution, package that up. And in step 3, I show you how to set up and sell on Gumroad, just like I do here on my Gumroad shop, inside earning money from products that I create. This is actually the revenue I created or I generated from the product that I created in the workshop. This is the affiliate revenue that I made. This is my commissions, but it was all part of a larger picture of topping a leaderboard over at Warrior Plus in creating total sales for that vendor. And it all starts just by simply creating very simple and direct and to the point, in this case, publications or PDFs, ebooks, if you will, and posting them on your Gumroad store. Of course, you can create other products and add to your Gumroad store as well. But the idea here is to start simple, pinpoint a problem, create simple, smart solutions, and then post that solution for sale. And then sell your own products as well as utilize those products effectively and efficiently and in a smart way to increase your revenue or increase your commissions and overall revenue in your business as an affiliate. If this sounds good, check out the link in the description for this offer 3-module workshop where I walk through everything that you need to do in 3 simple steps. Plus, on Friday, June 28th, I'm holding a live end of workshop meeting, so you can bring any and all questions you have to that live and get them answered live, as well as you get access to my Facebook community. So any and all questions that you need to ask before that date or after that date, you can ask in the community, as well as I'm going to offer up one-on-one email access to me. So if you have any questions, I can consult you along the way and help you out as one of my one-on-one clients. You get access to me to build your own offer, to sell your own products, keep 100% of that money, and then earn commissions as an affiliate when your product will work well as a bonus in one of those affiliate promotions that you see out there for a good product that you want to promote, that you want to support, that you know will help out the audience that you're building. Because at the end of the day, ultimately, all we're doing here is we're learning things, we're doing things, and then we are focusing on teaching those things to help people solve their problems. Link in the description. Check out this offer. Join me. I look forward to seeing you inside the offer workshop and at the live, and also answering any and all questions that you may have. And I will talk to you in the next one.